In the world of health and longevity, NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, has been gaining a lot of attention for its role in boosting NAD+ levels, one of the key factors in the anti-aging process. If you're interested in enhancing longevity, extending your life, improving energy levels, or supporting DNA repair, NMN could be the supplement you've been looking for. What is NMN and why is NAD+ important? NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is a coenzyme found in every living cell. It's a molecule of life. It carries out hundreds of chemical reactions in the body. It's crucial for energy metabolism, DNA repair, and activating sirtuins, proteins linked to anti-aging and longevity. If you haven't heard of the famous longevity researcher Dr. David Sinclair, he uses the supplement to promote longevity and extend his life. As we age, our NAD+ levels naturally decline, a trend that becomes more pronounced around middle age. For instance, at age 25, our bodies maintain relatively high levels of NAD+, which is crucial for energy production, DNA repair, and cellular health. By the age 50, studies suggest that NAD+ levels can drop by as much as 50%, significantly impacting metabolic efficiency and body's ability to combat oxidative stress and age-related damage. That's when we start to age rapidly. It's harder to exercise. It's harder to lose weight. We get more and more wrinkles, gray hair, and we're basically getting old. We're told that it's normal to lose the ability to function as we age. It's normal to spend the last years of our lives in pain, taking tons of prescription medication, not being able to move around, and lose our memory. But there's a better way to age. People who take a very good care of their health can enjoy their life until the last moment. Just look at all the centenarians, spending time with friends and family, gardening, cycling, staying healthy and fit. Keeping your NAD levels high with the help of diet, exercise, and supplements like NMN is crucial for staying healthy as we age. This reduction in the NAD+ levels as we age can impair the activation of sirtuins, proteins that help regulate various biological processes, including aging and longevity, thereby contributing to the physical and cognitive decline often associated with aging. NMN is a precursor to NAD+, meaning it helps replenish NAD+ levels in the body. Unlike other precursors like NR, nicotinamide riboside, NMN is more stable and has the added benefit of being absorbed directly into the bloodstream, making it highly effective. Let's look at the key benefits of NMN supplement. Number 1. Anti-aging and longevity. By increasing NAD+ levels, NMN activates sirtuins, which are proteins responsible for regulating cellular health and promoting longevity. More NAD+ means these longevity genes can function optimally, slowing down the aging process. Number 2. DNA repair. DNA repair is vital for cell survival, vitality, and disease prevention. But as we age, DNA damage accumulates. NAD+ plays a crucial role in body's DNA repair process, and increasing NAD+ levels can enhance the body's ability to fix damaged DNA, promoting healthier cells and tissues. NMN supplementation supports this repair by boosting NAD+ levels, helping to reverse age-related cellular damage and contributing to overall cellular rejuvenation. Number 3. Increased energy and mitochondrial function. NMN supports mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new mitochondria, leading to better energy production. This means more energy, greater vitality, and improved cellular function over time. In addition, NMN has been shown to improve endurance and strength. Number 4. Life extension. Studies suggest that boosting NAD+ levels can extend lifespan by improving cellular health, reducing inflammation, and enhancing the body's resilience against age-related diseases. It's pretty impressive. Combine it with a healthy diet and regular exercise for best results. Why NMN, not NR? While both NR and NMN supplements are precursors to NAD+, NMN offers a more direct and efficient route. NMN requires fewer steps to convert to NAD+, as it's absorbed more efficiently in the gut. Some research has also shown that individuals with higher body weight may have a reduced ability to convert NR into NMN, making NMN a better option for them. Now, how to choose the right NMN supplement? Not all NMN supplements are created equal. Look for brands that emphasize quality control and don't have unhealthy additives. Currently, I take NMN, quercetin, spermidine, and apigenin as part of my anti-aging longevity-promoting supplement stack from the particular brand. NMN boosts NAD+ levels, supporting DNA repair and cellular energy production. Quercetin acts as a powerful antioxidant, reducing inflammation and promoting cellular health. Spermidine enhances autophagy, helping cells remove waste and regenerate. Apigenin supports healthy aging by promoting cellular senescence and reducing oxidative stress. It's also good for your sleep. Together, these supplements work synergistically to optimize cellular function, energy production, and longevity. Particular supplement brand ensures high-quality ingredients with no additives for maximum purity and effectiveness. There are no binders, fillers, or preservatives, which is great. And it's third-party tested for purity and label claims. The serving size is just 1 capsule a day. 1 capsule of the brand I use is 500 milligrams. In research studies, NMN has been administered in doses between 250 and 1,200 milligrams. A practical starting dose is 500 milligrams a day, which is 1 capsule, with the option to increase to 1,000 milligrams, 2 capsules per day, depending on individual health goals. NMN should be taken on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning, as it boosts energy levels. If you're looking to age slower, improve your energy levels, and potentially extend your life, NMN is a supplement worth including in your anti-aging routine. It's one of the most exciting discoveries in the longevity research, with scientific studies backing up the benefits of boosting NAD levels, enhancing DNA repair, and supporting overall health. I've been taking it for around a month now. The whole stack: NMN, quercetin, spermidine, and apigenin. I feel like I have way more energy and mental clarity. I'm feeling great. And of course, the long-term results is what matters the most. I believe NMN, together with other supplements, including apigenin, spermidine, quercetin, vitamin D3, cod liver oil, zeolite, fulvic acid, shilajit, glycine, together with a nutrient-dense diet, low in sugar, eating natural whole foods, and exercising regularly will help me to live a long and healthy life. If you would like to try out NMN, check out the link in the description of this video and also in the first comment. You'll also find a 10% discount code. If you found this video useful, like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.